With Trint's free extension for Adobe Premiere Pro, you can send video files to Trint for automated transcription of all your caption files. Let's take a quick look at how it works. After you've downloaded and installed the Trint panel into Premiere, you are ready to get captioning. When you are working on a Premiere project, open the Trint extension, and you'll see a list of all of your Trints. To transcribe your project, drag the video from your computer into this box up here in the Trint panel, and the file will automatically start to upload. While it's uploading, select to transcribe in any of our 13 languages, and you can also choose whether you'd like to use your custom words from Vocab Builder, and then click Transcribe. If you want to keep track of the status, you can do that right here in the Trint panel. To verify the transcript, just click on the file name, and that will take you directly to the Trint editor in a web browser. Once you're happy with your transcript, click the yellow actions icon and select the format you want to export, as well as the additional settings, and then simply drag this file onto your video to sync the subtitles to the media.
Hi, I'm Jeff Kaufman, CEO and co-founder of Trint.
The Trint's free extension for Adobe Premiere Pro makes adding captions to your videos a lot easier. You can find the download link below to download the extension, and if you have any questions, just email us at support@trint.com.